Today we are going to do... What is this? We are going to do farm animal actions. Yes, farm animal actions. Are you ready? Let's go! Animal actions is so much fun. Animal actions gallop like a horse. It's so much fun. Animal actions flap like a chick. This is so much fun. Animal actions waddle like a duck. Animal actions is so much fun. Animal actions chomp like a cow eating a grass. Animal actions is so much fun. Animal actions sit like a hen on her nest. Animal actions is so much fun. Animal actions trot like a goat. Animal actions is so much fun. Animal actions roll like a pig in mud. Wow! Isn't it fun? Animal actions is so much fun. Animal actions, ooh, ooh, ooh. Thanks a lot for moving along with me. Great work, everybody. See you next time.